To begin configuring your project in Parvamoti, follow these steps outlined in this video, or refer to our manual for guidance. Basetime has developed checklists for each stage. Stay on top of every phase effortlessly with these checklists. Reach out to support at basetime.nl to access these resources. Let's start. Start by adding a company. Navigate to the Companies tab and integrate the company associated with the project. Complete all the required fields with the necessary information. Then, add project members who should receive log files via email. Second, add a project. Begin by navigating to the Project section in Parvamoti and select Add Project. Now, let's enter the project details. Provide a project name, it's mandatory. Choose the project type, selecting between settlement rod or object monitoring. Optionally, you can add a reference project name and project description. Choose your GNSS and radar settings. Then select your contact persons. Moving forward, customize your measurement settings. Choose the frequency, 1, 12, or 24 times per day. Define the start date, start time, and measurement duration. If relevant, set the end date. Configure radar GNSS settings and specify the start processing delay, number of retries, and retry interval. The standard measurement duration is 5 minutes, but you have the flexibility to adjust it between a minimum of 2 and a maximum of 8 minutes. Proceed to the next step by selecting the Next Step button. Select the country where the project will be executed, and choose the Coordinate System, EPSG, for coordinate output. Choose the necessary devices from the customer's warehouse, ensuring all required devices are in stock. Verify this in Parvamoti and replenish the stock if necessary. Add all devices to the Excel sheet using the provided template. Double-check the accuracy of entries in the Excel sheet, ensuring correct documentation of links between devices and object IDs. In settlement rod projects, register the length of the settlement rod during installation. Verify and input the correct height in the Excel sheet, with the default length being 2.000 meters. Identify which device serves as the reference station. Import the verified Excel list. Select the device as the reference station. Choose the coordinate system, input coordinates and specify the height as the top of the mounting plate. Click Save Project. After saving the project, review all settings in the Overview tab. If necessary, make changes using the icon next to Settings. Click Send Project to Finalize device configurations and start the project. The configuration is adopted by active devices, and data will be displayed in the dashboard after the first measurement.